Good afternoon. I'm here with my new scope, a replacement for my two MTC prismatics that were faulty. So thanks to Optics Warehouse for sending this out to me. So this is a Sightron S-TAC series. It's a 3-16x42. It's an MOA reticle, and it's got zero stop. It's got lifetime warranty, and side focus down to 10 yards into infinity. So 30mm tube. That's some of the information there. Okay, so I'm just going to go through a quick unboxing, show you what's inside, and then a quick idea of what I think about it. So what you got in the bag, just taking it, you got this is like a torque, like a star-shaped torque Allen key. It's for taking the caps off and setting them to zero. Okay, you've got a small Allen key for setting up your zero stop, which is basically a nut with 3 locking screws in, and that's to set that up. Obviously your cleaning cloth, standard thing. The manual tells you everything you need to know. It's some detailed pictures in there as well, and you can also download this from their website as well. And then this bit of information here tells you all about the reticle that's fitted, and also on the back it tells you how to set your zero stop up. So it's very, very straightforward. Okay, so just running through the actual scope. So quite a long scope. I tend to find that some scopes that have got illuminated reticle tend to be a bit longer. This was obviously longer than some. It's about the same length, a little bit shorter than my Discovery scope. So this is it. So you've got your dioptic at this end, obviously. You've got your 3-16 magnification, and another nice touch is you've got this lever here that you can use to do fine adjustments. Yeah, backwards and forwards, which is nice. So you can find that you've got all these are very chunky. So if you wear gloves, you're out shooting. Obviously you've got plenty of grip there. Very precise. This is probably, looking at the way this adjusts and everything, it's just so precise. I mean, way more precise than the MTC Viper I have. You've got your side parallax there. Again, it's got some nice chunky bits, so it's easy to grip. Very smooth. Magnification, everything's very smooth. You've got your illumination here, 2032 battery obviously. You've got 11 illuminations for the actual reticle. It's like what's called MOA 5, which is an extended holdover, and basically you've got intermittent, so you can turn it, illuminate it, and then turn it off. So you don't have to rotate through the whole lot to turn it off. Yeah, which is a really nice touch. Okay, 42 objective. Sorry. Really well made. I mean, this feels fantastic. Probably try and get some video through it at some point. I like the way that the flip up caps, they fit nicely over the actual dioptic here. Some of them don't fit very well and tend to fall off. So these are really nice. The actual lens, the image quality of this is way above the MTC Viper, which I think was very good. And yeah, it sort of puts the Discovery. Don't forget the Discovery is probably 2.5 times cheaper than this. This is like I think the retail in the UK is 700. The Optics doing for 500, and like I said, the prismatic is 380s, and this is 120 more, and it's way quality better. Made in the Philippines, yeah, obviously for Sightron USA. Okay. But so it's not a Chinese made scope. So yeah, very impressed. So I'm going to put this on my Leshy 2 and see how she performs. First focal plane, which I do like, first focal plane. But yeah, the lock-in, the zero stop is this nut here. So you've got 3 Allen keys. Undo that. You zero your scope, wind that up to touching, lock it so you can't adjust it downwards, and then you take your cap off with the torque and reset your cap to 0, and that's it, job done. So yeah, really nice. So I hope you like that little unboxing review, just show you around it. Like I said, the detail is really good. I do like this flip up, so you can use it for fine adjustments. Yeah, and then fold it back down again. Yeah, there's your information there. All this sort of information, just turn it around like that so you can see the information. Yeah, lots of detailed information on their caps. Yeah, very good, very good quality. So yeah, should be brilliant. Hope you like the little view. Thanks for watching.